Okay, today we're going to learn how to start a program using the Systematic Studio with an Omron PLC. First, we'll start by opening the software. Once the software is open, the first thing we want to do is connect to the device so that we can take the program out of the PLC and put it on the computer. So in case something goes wrong, we will have a backup of the original program from the PLC. To connect to the device, we got to tell it how we're going to connect to the device, and we are going to connect it by Ethernet through a hub. We have to make sure our IP address is correct and then hit connect. Once it is connected, we will be online with the PLC with that IP address. And then we must come up to from the controller, and that is transferring the program from the PLC to the computer. So we'll click transfer from the controller. We want to make sure that we go from the controller, because if we go to the controller, we will erase the program that is in the PLC. So making sure that it is from the controller, we will hit execute. So once it's done, it'll ask you that the program that is in the computer will be overwritten by the program that is in the PLC. And yes, that is what we want. So we have successfully completed the transfer from the controller to the PLC. After we have the PLC program in the computer, the next thing we want to do is go and save as that program. So we'll have our original program, and then we'll have a backup. So we will call this lab, whichever lab we're working on, lab 1, and we'll put our name in the author spot. And then we'll hit save. Then we're ready to program the Omron PLC.